Hi, I'm Denise Tepler. I represent House District number 54, which is all of my town of Topsom. And I wanted to talk a little bit about LD 428. It's a bill to prevent tax haven abuse. What does that mean? So, right now, under federal and Maine law, corporations can hide some of their profits in overseas locations that have very liberal taxation and banking laws. And we've been trying to find a way to make sure that we can tax corporations for all of their profits so that they can contribute to the health and well-being of Maine people like all of us do by paying our taxes. It's very, very important for fairness that we don't allow people to cheat legally, to keep some portion of their taxes when there are people in Maine who are barely earning a living, who are paying their income taxes. Corporations shouldn't be able to hide this money in various places around the globe. They really need to account for it. And that's what this bill requires them to do. There are two possible ways of accounting for money that corporations have in so-called tax havens. One is to develop a list of tax havens, and another way is called worldwide reporting. Right now, the tax committee has asked that the Maine Revenue Services talk with them about worldwide reporting versus the list approach. The federal government has discussed including worldwide reporting in a recent ARPA bill. The federal government has recently discussed including worldwide reporting in some of their law. It would be great if they pass it first and could just conform with federal law, but thus far that hasn't happened. So we're looking at doing this in Maine, and we really believe strongly it creates more tax fairness. The bill is going to have another work session in front of the tax committee in the coming weeks. And if you have a strong opinion and you believe that this bill should pass, please submit testimony to that effect to the taxation committee. You can do that online by sending the clerk of the tax committee a note. It doesn't have to be formal. If you're an individual, just say, I believe that LD 428 represents tax fairness, and I hope the committee will pass it. And that would be very helpful. The bill is not only supported by the Maine Women's Lobby, but also by the Maine Center for Economic Policy. So thanks very much.